Cutie. I'm Brittany.
And I'm Julie.
And together we're the mother-daughter duo of Stitches of Love. Welcome to this quick little video where we're excited to share something brand new with you all today. And that is the new Wreath Club. Mom, tell us about the inspiration behind designing this adorable little quilt.
Well, I like to sew. Everybody likes to sew. And so I wanted a sewing wreath because I've been making lots of wreaths lately. And I thought it would be fun to have a sewing wreath that I could put up year after year. Which then I thought, well, in that spot, I would like to put another wreath for the rest of the year. So we have more coming. There's going to be one for Easter and spring and summer
and fall and winter.
Yeah, there's 6.
There's 6 total. So let's talk about the club. It's called the Wreath Club. Easy to remember because
very original,
right? 6 times throughout the year, you're going to make an adorable wreath quilt. So as Mom said, the inspiration behind each project is the seasons and it's the holidays. So it's going to be really fun, something really special for you to make for yourself to use in your sewing space or in your home. I'm kind of thinking I'm going to put mine near the front door because it's such a fun way to greet everyone for all of the holidays. And anyone coming to my house knows I'm all about quilting and sewing, so it's okay if it's not in a sewing room. So,
and probably your friends too.
Exactly, and if not, then maybe they'll see this and be inspired to become a quilter with you. So let's talk about what you're gonna get. So first off, the club renews 6 times throughout the year. That means every other month. So all the odd numbered months. So January, March, May, July, September, and November. Those are your 6 renewal dates on the first of those months. And then in your box, on those renewal months, you're going to get all of your pre-fused laser cut applique pieces. That means you don't have to trace anything onto your fusible and iron it on and then cut out your pieces. We've done all of that work for you and you get absolutely precise pieces. You also get your background fabric, your backing fabric, your binding. There's little hang corners on the back so that you can easily hang it up in your home.
Right.
And then you're also going to get your batting, which is inside, and then all of your embellishments. So the months vary between how many buttons or rickrack or ribbons that they have on it, but no matter the design, you're gonna get everything you need. So you get your box, you open it up, and you're ready to start sewing. I love it.
But if you guys know me, you know that I like buttons and rickrack, so.
And I think this ribbon is a really fun addition. We don't always have ribbons, but it's fun.
We may have ribbon on most of them. I can give you a hint. The Easter one has this cute little fat, plump little bunny at the bottom.
So cute. Kind of like where the beehive is on this one. You have a cute little face. So we're going to keep them a surprise for you because we want it to be like a present in the mail for you every other month for you. So I hope that you'll take the time to visit our website, stitchesoflovequilting.com. Click to shop on our clubs and you'll see all the information that you need. So just click to join today and we look forward to stitching along with you all throughout, should we do it? All throughout 2020. Happy stitching, everybody.
Bye.